Worse, we got an inline number from Old Dominion Freight, a trucker, and then the stock dropped by $24, 11%. Brown shoots galore, or maybe overreaction, but it doesn't matter. It happened. We've now seen weakness from J.B. Hunt, Norfolk Southern, and Old Dominion. These transports are the backbone of the economy, and they're also great predictors. At the same time, we need to be aware of false brown shoots. Today, we heard from an analyst who covers Apple and said that the Vision Pro is a big disappointment. What happened? The analyst said that Apple's not going to be able to make the consensus estimates of 700 to 800,000 Vision Pros. They cut the numbers to between 400,000 and 450,000. He said, wow. Hold on, wait a second, though. We looked up what the analysts were expecting back in February when it launched, and back then, the analysts only figured Apple would sell 400,000. Talk about faux brown shoots. That's outrageous. What a straw man. If Apple can sell 400,000 units of a $3,500 product that is just now having software written for it, I think it's doing great. Right now, the Vision Pro is being marketed as a consumer product. Without a subsidy from a consumer company like an iPhone, you get with the iPhone, that's a steep price tag. We know that. But what if Apple pivots and decides to market this thing not just as a consumer product, but as a business product? Hear me out. When I was at NVIDIA GTC conference, I got to sit in a Nissan sports car, check out the dashboard, jumped out over the rocker panels, kicked the tires, and looked under the hood, barely missing my fingers when I closed it. The only thing is, there was no car. It was all an illusion generated by a Vision Pro hooked up to an NVIDIA supercomputer. I was sitting in a chair in an empty room.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.